Hey y'all, it's Desi and we're back with another video. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. We made a quick gumbo right here, but let me tell y'all, I'm doing my Trinity here, but let's be clear. It's either chicken and sausage gumbo or a seafood gumbo. Y'all putting all this stuff into the pot and adding a roux and calling it gumbo. It is not gumbo. You need to add your filet powder. And tomatoes do not belong in gumbo. You ask anybody, it don't go in there. Now, to each his own, y'all make whatever you want, just don't call it gumbo. Now, my roux arm is real strong right here. So this is the seasonings I put in after I add my veggies in here. I actually added one more bay leaf later because I just didn't like the flavor that it came out with just the one. And I actually did my chicken separate because I like my seasonings to stick. I don't like everything to get lost in the pot. So I'm adding my sausage in here. I shredded the chicken that I made in the oven and I put it in there. I like to have shrimp too, but I did them on the side, so you won't see them in the pot, but I did make some shrimp on the side for whoever wanted some, and I added my filet powder to the pot. So this is it. Happy Thanksgiving.